From offering a new type of convenience and leisure to a fully integrated home security assistant, this is why the Amazon Astro is the future of robotics. So, what exactly is the Amazon Astro? And why is it sparking a new wave of home robotic devices? The Amazon Astro is a household robotic assistant, armed with a set of wheels. The Astro is a literal robot, like a real robot, not a stupid meal delivery robot, but a fully functioning device, strolling around the house in search of ways to help make your life easier. Yep, you heard that right. The Jetsons were really onto something. It seems they predicted the future of home robotics down to a T. While the Astro is not quite as advanced as George and Jane Jetson's robot housekeeper, the Amazon device provides users with a variety of conveniences. At the lavish price of $1,450, customers will receive a 17-inch tall robot equipped with a wide range of practical uses. Thanks to Astro's pair of high-quality cameras, users can locate people, pets, and items in their home, and stream their favorite shows as the robot follows them throughout the house. The Astro is a hands-free device, meaning that it functions without having to program your robot. And one of the coolest elements of the Astro is the ability to give it a variety of verbal commands. Over time, Astro works to recognize user voices and faces, becoming acquainted with the members of your home. With a built-in speaker, it offers a never-before-seen level of convenience. Imagine a robot following you into the bathroom, playing your favorite song or TV show as you jump into the shower. Slowly but surely, the Astro learns user preferences and requests. The home robot stores your favorite recipes, pulls up your go-to cooking shows, and even provides you with a grocery list. Can you imagine how easy Taco Tuesdays would be? Astro can even provide users with its own suggestions. The robot assistant uses stored data to offer suggestions and reminders to its users. Talk about convenience! Moving on, Amazon Astro is a fantastic tool for the workplace. From dynamic video calling abilities to scheduling meetings with ease, the Astro has got your business needs covered. Thanks to its free-roaming nature, Astro makes Zoom meetings a personalized experience. The device can move around all kinds of locations and offer a more lively feel to a sterile Zoom meeting. Users can bark out orders to their robotic assistant and expect results. Reliability is never a question, as the Astro stores whatever data you give it and will never make a mistake. Most impressively, the Amazon Astro can be instructed to perform inventory management. Forecasting and managing inventory will be a thing of the past. Astro will use stored data and study your business's sales history to adequately set you up for success. Thanks to its precision navigation skills, Astro can even be used as an in-store helper. The device can practically run your business for you, as it can also be trained to assist in customer service. All you have to do is provide it with information on your business, and it will pump out a plethora of customer service FAQs. Astro can be used to schedule meetings, email coworkers, or even double as your business's security guard. Crazy stuff indeed. Welcome to the future! Let's shift our attention back to the home benefits that the Astro offers. The unique home robot provides a remarkable level of personalization. Not only can it recognize faces and voices, but it can distinguish between which user is commanding it. Astro remembers the preferences and requests of each user and can recognize multiple faces at the same time. It's clear that the Astro is essentially a personal assistant, yet its functionality offers an array of practical uses. The Amazon device can transform your home into a smart home in the blink of an eye. Astro works with other Amazon devices such as the Alexa and Echo to create a fully integrated household. The robot's ability to communicate with several devices in your home creates an endless possibility of customization. You can instruct Astro to coordinate with your lights, security system, and even your freaking sprinklers. It acts as a one-stop shop for all of your home functionality requirements. Next time you go on vacation, you won't have to hire a dog sitter. Just fire up the trusty device and let the magic happen. You could simply program the Astro to feed your dog and schedule times to open up the back door to let your pet outside. Worried that the robot will neglect your beloved pet? Thanks to the pair of high-quality cameras built into the device, tune in at any time to check up on your precious little guy. The Astro's capabilities are truly astonishing. Instead of asking what the Astro is capable of, we're left wondering what the Astro can't do. In spite of the Astro's success, let's take a look at some of Amazon's competitors. As we previously mentioned, the Astro is truly the future of robotics. Because of the high demand for the device, an influx of home robots appeared on the market. Companies scrambled to create an alternative to the popular Amazon Home Assistant. The first to prevent Amazon from cornering the market was none other than tech pioneers Google. Google quickly hopped on the wave of home robotics, releasing the Google Nest in 2016. After some success with the launch, Google decided to upgrade it and re-release a more advanced product. In 2019, the company announced the Google Nest Hub Max. Unfortunately, it was not very well received and was recently discontinued. Just a few years later, Amazon released the much more successful Astro, pushing competitors to the sidelines. Since the Astro's recent success, a slew of copycats appeared on the market. The Anki Vector Home Assistant was a huge swing and a miss for the tech company. Shortly after Anki released the second edition of their robot, the company closed its doors for good. While Amazon wasn't the first to pioneer home robotics, it's abundantly clear that they have outlasted competitors and are driving the home robotics industry to new heights. Amazon's limitless funds provide the tech giants ample opportunity to innovate and create. There seems to be a real concern over having an Amazon camera watching and listening at all times. Despite the presence of microphones in Amazon devices, Echo and Alexa, customers are weary of a potential breach of privacy. Amazon's goal moving forward is to spread consumer awareness and to break the stigma of any incorrect privacy concerns. The Astro is their most recent success story, making its claim as the future of the home robotics industry. Lastly, the Amazon Astro functions as an in-home security guard. Astro is integrated with Ring Security, regularly performing security checks in your home. The impressive robot will autonomously patrol the house and even alert the police in the event of a break-in. What is truly unbelievable is that the Astro will investigate a triggered alarm in your home. Equipped with all of the necessary bells and whistles, Astro will scope out the scene of a triggered alarm. Thanks to its top-notch sensors and cameras, the device can be trusted to act as your personal security guard. It'll communicate with your home's alarm company, speaking to real humans to help address the issue at hand. This eliminates the potential danger of dealing with a home intruder. Astro can impressively detect whether windows, doors, or other entrances have been breached. Once fully integrated with your security system, the home robot can determine whether your front door was left unlocked. The Astro regularly performs security checks around your home, bringing users peace of mind. Another practical usage of the Astro's security functions is the ability to view a live feed of your home. In the event that your teenage son is left home alone for the weekend, you can regularly check in on your residents. Or maybe you just really miss your pet on the days you go into the office. No need to worry. Log into your Amazon Astro app and check in on your favorite furry friend. So, from a secure, fully integrated home security assistant to a never-before-seen level of convenience and leisure, those were the reasons the Amazon Astro is the future of robotics.